What's up guys? How are you doing? Welcome to today's exciting cardio workout for beginners. My name is Abisesh and welcome to my YouTube channel FitWithAbi. I have brought you 5 handpicked exercises for today's workout, and it's going to work on your entire body and do wonders for you. This workout is good for beginners who want to start their fitness journey. And those of you who are a little experienced, you can increase the intensity and make it more challenging for yourself. So before we start our routine, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and stay tuned for further updates. Hey guys, so let's begin with our workout with high knees. So we are going to be doing 45 seconds of each exercises, starting off with high knees. So guys, that was the end of high knees. Good job so far. Before we move any further, let me tell you something. I have just begun to create long format contents for you guys. So do hit the bell icon, do subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a lot of updates on health, diet plans, nutrition, food, reversal of lifestyle, diseases like thyroid, diabetes, hypertension, etc, etc, etc. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further updates. Okay guys, let's move into the second workout, spot jump for next 45 seconds. This is a great full body warm up. Nice work guys, good job, and we are done with spot jump. Now we are going to get into the third workout, that is mountain climber. It's a great cardio as well as good for our lower core. So we are going to do this for next 45 seconds. Let's begin. So guys, we are done with mountain climbers. Good job. On to the next workout, that is jumping jacks, and it's a great full body cardio movement. So let's go for it. So that's it guys, we are done with jumping jacks. Nice work. Before going any further, let me tell you something that I am just starting creating content on YouTube in the longer format. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for further updates. But let me tell you something. The videos I am going to upload, they are going to be a perfect guide or a companion for your health journey. They will be on fitness, workout, diet plans, nutrition, food recipes, tips on how to reverse your lifestyle diseases like thyroid, diabetes, hypertension, etc. 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 So stay tuned for that. Let's move to our next exercise. Fifth exercise is squat jump. It's a combination of squats along with some jumps. We are going to do it for 45 seconds. Let's go. So that's it guys, well done, good job. Cardio workout for beginner is done. Add this to your fitness routine and you can definitely repeat this 2 to 3 times a week in a month. And most importantly, you can definitely repeat this for 3 to 5 rounds and increase the intensity as per your choice. This will help you burn calories, get leaner and stronger. Whenever you are working out, make sure to have a plenty of protein. Keep your sugar under tab, drink a lot of water and make sure to get sufficient rest so that your body can recover. Let me know in the comment box how do you find this workout. And stay tuned to my YouTube channel FitWithAbi. Share it with your friends and families. Save the video so that you can practice it later. See you around.